So today we have a PS5, and what I'm doing here is swapping out the USB ports, both of them, since they were both damaged. And this is a method called hot swap. Basically heat it up, add some flux, and then pull it off, and then add the new USB port in there. And then lastly, the HDMI port. So with the HDMI port, I decided not to do a hot swap. I tinned those pads with new solder, got it nice and hot, and then once it liquefies, drop that new HDMI in there. Okay, and there's the HDMI port installed. Looks good. And now for reassembly and testing. It's powering up. There it is. PS logo is up. HDMI looks good. Display looks good. And we got a good PS5 fully repaired. If your PS5 is having any HDMI issues, USB issues, any damages, or even a simple cleaning, we're your go-to. Hit us up at www.a2phonerepair.com. Until next one.